In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch personas on Janitor AI. To get started, open Janitor AI and head to the character chat where you want to change your persona. Make sure you're inside the specific conversation you want to update because persona changes are applied from within the chat you're actively using. Once you're there, look for the chat settings or the persona option. Depending on the layout you're seeing, this may appear as a clearly labeled setting or as part of the conversation controls. This is the area where Janitor AI lets you manage which persona is currently being used in that chat. After opening that section, you'll see the persona that is currently selected for the conversation. This is helpful because it lets you confirm which identity, profile, or role the chat is using before you make any changes. Next, click on the current persona to open your saved personas. This will bring up the list of personas you've already created or saved to your account, making it easy to switch without having to set everything up again. From there, choose the persona you want to switch to. Take a moment to select the right one, especially if you use different personas for different characters or conversation styles. Once you select it, the new persona will be applied to the chat. That means the conversation will now use the details and context of the persona you just chose. You can then continue chatting, and Janitor AI will respond based on that newly selected persona. If you ever want to change it again, just open the persona option one more time and select another saved persona. And that's how to switch personas on Janitor AI.